Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today it's going to be a shave video. Real quick, I'm going to wet my face. Today's brush is going to be this nice, beautiful green Peregrino shave brush with the synthetic knot. I'm going to be using this single edge razor called the Starling from PAA. And my post shave is going to be some star jelly. It's going to be the 4th day of the shaving advent calendar. And here it is. Thumbnail. All right, here we go. Let's open this dude up. Ooh. Set this down. Not looking at the card just yet because I want to form my own opinions. Agua Dulce. I believe that's how you pronounce it. My Spanish, not so good. So that would be water sweet or sweet water. I'm getting kind of a juicy fruit vibe. That's nice. Here's the splash. And here's the little card. I hope you guys have commented below and let me know if you want me to read these off in a separate video. This is an homage to Florida water, released back in 2016. Let's see, what does it say? It says, for some people, it smells like orange blossoms and clove. Others may say a dash of juicy fruit or Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola? I'm not picking up the Coca-Cola. But I do believe, well, does Coca-Cola have an orange scent to it? I don't know. It's one of those things, there's a whole bunch of numbers, numerous scents in Coca-Cola. I'm going to get this scooped out, lathered up, and I'll be back to start the shave. Got that whipped up. What a nice scent. You know, there was a time when I was searching for what my English mind would say, the Agua Dulce by PAA. And it was it's one of the homages or whatever you want to call it, the clones of Agua Dulce. And I remember running across this one for sale, and I think somebody had it on eBay or somewhere. It may have just been another website. And I thought, oh, okay, this is what I'm looking for, and it wasn't. So I had asked a few people, and they said, no, this is a total different fragrance, and I can see that. But if I would have purchased that back then, I would have been happy with it. It's a nice scent. Here we go, pass number 1 with the grain. I haven't used this razor in a while. It's very nice, smooth and close. No problems mowing down the 1 day worth of growth. Very fresh scent. So far, out of all the scents, I've been happy with every one. We are now a third of the way through the calendar. Still fun and exciting. I just wonder what tomorrow will bring. I think if this particular scent was brought back during the next year's rotation of scents, I think it would be a nice one. Got to get lathered up for pass number 2. Used 1/4 teaspoon and 13 mils of water. Did an excellent job making the lather. See, now this synthetic knot, it's a little bit softer and it doesn't mind being splayed. I kind of feel like the splaying action helps lift up that stubble and get the soap or the lather underneath of it versus the painting action. Are you guys enjoying the 12 flannels of Christmas? The last couple flannels I've worn, actually all of them that I've worn have been kind of the traditional flannel pattern. And I think I'm going to switch it up and get into the spicier flannels. Oh yeah. The head looks a little, I don't know why I was smelling it. The head's kind of a little bit larger than normal. I think it's got like a little bit of a, up here on the top, it's got a kind of a little bit of a machining finish. And then, you know, the lather's wanting to stick to it. You know how when you're rinsing the bowl or the sink or whatever, you got a little bit of that lather residue. So it was making, I could just see it easier with my eyes. All right, I'm going to get cleaned up with some cold water and I'll be right back. Do I need to tell you I'm going to be right back? It's something it's habit for me to tell you. Anyway, I'm going to get cleaned up. Ran downstairs. My wife is doing her morning routine stuff, and I asked her what she thought about it. She liked it. I think this would be a winner. It's kind of a nice clean scent to where I think anybody that was close enough to you to smell it would enjoy it. It's not off-putting at all. Do have a little bit of irritation right here. All right, I'm going to put up a picture right here of the items I used today, and I will see you on tomorrow's shave video. You have a great rest of your day.